Hey SoulSync fam, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into some of the craziest, weirdest, and honestly cutest things girls do that make guys absolutely weak in the knees. I'm talking about those little quirks and playful moves that you probably didn't even realize were super sexy. But trust me, they are. These aren't your typical boring tips. No lip biting or cheesy lines here. We're getting spicy, real, and a little unexpected today. So if you want to know exactly what makes him go crazy over you, stay tuned and let's get right into it. 1. Playfully teasing him without holding back. There's something wildly attractive about a girl who isn't afraid to tease a guy with a little playful sass. When you tease him just right, not mean but cheeky and fun, it creates this magnetic energy full of excitement and challenge. Guys love the chase, but they also adore when you throw a little playful fire their way, keeping things spicy and unpredictable. It's a sign you're confident and comfortable being yourself around him. And that vibe is irresistible. But more than that, playful teasing creates an emotional connection. It's like a secret language between you two. When he knows you're joking but also paying close attention to how he reacts, it builds this subtle intimacy. So go ahead and be that teasing queen. Watch how his attention locks on you and how his attraction only grows. Wearing his clothes casually. There's something incredibly sexy about a girl who casually borrows a guy's hoodie, shirt, or even his cap. It's this mix of vulnerability and comfort, like you're saying, I'm close enough to you that I want to wear your scent and feel your presence. That effortless move makes guys feel special because it shows you're comfortable with him and not afraid to show it. Plus, it's playful and cute. A little bit of you mixed with a little bit of him, creating this vibe of us. It's an intimate but low-key way to bond. When he sees you rocking his clothes, he feels connected and protective, like you belong in his world. And honestly, that look, it's a total heart melter. 3. Randomly breaking into a genuine, unscripted laugh. There's nothing hotter than a girl who laughs freely and without trying to hold back. That sudden burst of genuine laughter, the kind that crinkles your eyes and makes your whole face light up, is like a magnet for guys. It shows you're real, relaxed, and having fun with him. It's not just about being funny. It's about being authentic and comfortable in his presence. When he hears your laugh, it triggers a natural attraction. It tells him you're happy around him, and that happiness is contagious. Plus, those moments make the vibe between you light and joyful, which is exactly what every guy wants when he's around someone special. So don't hold back that laugh. Let it be loud, proud, and totally you. 4. Touching him in accidental ways. Whether it's brushing his arm lightly when you laugh or nudging him playfully, those small touches speak volumes. Guys pick up on these subtle physical hints more than you think. It's like your body language is sending a secret message. I'm interested, I'm comfortable, and I want you to notice me. These little touches create an electric charge, making him wonder what you're thinking and how much you want him. It's teasing without words, a seductive dance that keeps him on his toes and craving more. So don't be shy to initiate those accidental touches. They can drive him wild and deepen the connection in ways words never could. Giving him weird, cute nicknames. Sometimes, giving him a weird or funny nickname is surprisingly sexy. It's playful, unique, and shows you've created your own little world with him. Whether it's something silly like goofball or a private joke turned nickname, it makes your relationship feel special and exclusive. Plus, when you use a nickname, it breaks the usual formality and makes things feel more personal and intimate. He'll love that you remember the small details and that you're not afraid to be goofy around him. Those nicknames become inside jokes and secret codes, and that closeness, it's incredibly attractive. 6. Getting a little competitive in a playful way. When you challenge him to a game, a race, or even a playful argument, it sparks excitement and fun. Guys love a girl who's not just sitting quietly but is actively engaged and competitive, but in a cute, teasing way. That competitive spirit adds a layer of excitement, showing you're confident and willing to play alongside him. This playful rivalry creates moments of laughter, shared adrenaline, and bonding. It breaks the ice and keeps your energy fresh. It also makes him see you as someone who can match his vibe and energy, which is super attractive. So don't be afraid to challenge him. A little healthy competition can be seriously sexy. 7. Sharing random, deep thoughts out of nowhere. Dropping a surprising deep thought or personal opinion out of the blue is a huge turn-on. It shows you have layers beyond just the surface, that you're thoughtful, interesting, and not afraid to be real. When you share these moments, it pulls him in and makes him want to know more about you. It creates an intimate space where you're not just flirting, but connecting mentally and emotionally. Guys love that mix of mystery and authenticity. Those deep, unexpected conversations build trust and attraction on a whole new level. So open up occasionally. It's one of the sexiest things you can do. 8. Making silly faces. Just for him. Sometimes, making a goofy or silly face just for him breaks the tension and shows you're playful and comfortable. It's that mix of childish innocence and boldness that catches guys off guard in the best way. When you do this, you're saying, "I'm safe with you, and I want you to have fun with me." That vulnerability mixed with playfulness is super appealing because it's real and refreshing. It lightens the mood and makes your time together feel carefree and special. So next time, don't hesitate to be a little goofy. It's a secret weapon for winning his heart. 9. Sending him random texts that make no sense. Random, quirky texts that don't have a clear purpose but just pop into your head show spontaneity and charm. Whether it's a weird meme, a random, "Hey, what's up?" or an inside joke, these little surprises keep things lively and fun. It shows you're thinking about him, even when you don't have a reason to. Guys love that unpredictability because it breaks monotony and makes them look forward to your messages. It also hints at your playful and spontaneous personality, which is very attractive. So don't hold back on sending those random texts. They might just make him smile more than you think. 10. Showing a hint of mystery by not always being available. There's something incredibly sexy about not always being 100% available. When you have your own life, your own plans, and don't drop everything to reply instantly, it makes him curious and keeps him interested. That little bit of mystery makes him want to chase you more. It's not about playing games. It's about valuing yourself and your time. Guys respect and desire a girl who is independent and has her own world. When you balance being attentive with having boundaries, you create a powerful dynamic that's hard to resist. So keep some mystery alive. It's a classic move that never fails. All right, SoulSync people. That's a wrap on those wild and wonderful things girls do that secretly make guys totally melt. Which one surprised you the most? Or maybe you already do some of these without realizing the power you hold. Drop your thoughts and stories in the comments. I love hearing from you. And hey, if you enjoyed this spicy little breakdown, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a moment of our SoulSync family magic. Until next time, keep being your incredible, irresistible self. And remember, sometimes being a little weird is exactly what makes you unforgettable. Catch you in the next one.